Hello, Vanakkam viewers. I am Dr.RAJANAYAKI. Already you know, I am from Sivasakthi Siddha Health Center, Coimbatore. I am very happy that you are regularly watching my video and are encouraging me more. And you are getting good results from my home remedies also. You are telling that we are very much used, we are very much impressed of your videos, and we are using the home remedies, what remedies are given by you, we are regularly following that. So we are also very much happy to hear the news, viewers. So next video we can see today, this is also important video, more than 10 to 20% of the people suffering by this respiratory problem. That is important respiratory problem is asthma. So let's see first the anatomy of the lungs. Actually we are nowadays we are divide the lungs into two parts. One is upper respiratory, that is after this neck, that is upper respiratory problem, and below the neck to the chest, that is lower respiratory problem and upper respiratory problem. We have divided it in two. This asthma is come under the lower respiratory problem. So actually from our nose, one tube is coming inside. That tube is called that larynx tube. That tube, ending of the tube is that vocal box. Everybody knows that our voice is produced because of this inhale of the air only. That vocal box is located there. The next one is pharynx, that another tube goes inside this throat part. This pharynx tube goes inside into the lungs. There it is divided into two tubes, that is called bronchi. These two tubes goes to the two lungs. The lungs is situated in the what we are calling that ribs. Inside the ribs, till it cover the ribs cover the whole lungs part. With the help of, in the back side, it is covered by the cerebral. The sides it's covered by the lungs, so it is very safely located in that part. So what's happening because of this? Then now we are seeing the anatomy of the lungs. We told that two tubes goes into the lung. These two tubes inside the lungs, it's going there. We can see some sponge-like part. That part is called alveoli, sponge. These spots attracting the water, and it this sponge part are also, that is called alveoli. This is also infected in the asthma problem. So this is the anatomy of our lungs. Then we should know the functions of the lungs. Actually, for a healthy body, per day we are taking 2 to 3 liters water, and next thing is we are taking half to 1 kg solid food. Not only this, we are taking this swasam. We are taking this inhale and exhale. This swasam, this is also a very good food, and it gives also energy to our body. We are inhale and exhale more than 21,600 times we are breathing. More than 21,600 times you are breathing. This is a formula given by Siddhars. I will explain this in later. So more purified air is going inside of our lungs, and more poisonous coming out from the lung. Lung is an important organ to give energy to our body. How? It removes waste from our blood. The total blood from the finger to head, total blood come to the heart. Heart is not purify the blood. From there, blood goes to lungs. There, lungs only purify the total blood. Purify the total blood, remove even the carbon dioxide and waste products through the exhalation, through the swasa exhalation it is going out, and it gives more oxygen and more hemoglobin to the blood. Because why the disease occur, we know small cells mingle together made a tissues. Tissues only made the organs. Disease occur in the organs because of the loss of oxyhemoglobin, oxygen and hemoglobin. So lungs only give this oxygen and hemoglobin more to the blood. This purified blood again come to the heart and distribution all over the body. So those organ is getting damaged without oxyhemoglobin. This oxygen and hemoglobin go to save the organs. So lung is an important organ in our body to live as healthy. So what happened here in asthma patient? Because of this problem, actually in asthma patient, what happened? If the dirty smoke and some perfumes or smoke from the kitchen, if it comes, they are having this problem. What happened? Frequent cough will occur, and their alveoli are getting damaged, and so many sputum production from the lungs, and in the alveoli small wounds occur. From that wounds so many pus come out like the sputum is coming more than 1 to 2 liters within a month or 2 months. So many sputums are secreting in the lungs. So here, because of this excess sputum, the patient getting excess mucus, and their pathway and that trachea pathway is reduced, and they are very difficult to breathe because of the reduced pathway, and one kind of noise that already we heard, that wheezing sound, whistle sound, that one kind of noise is coming, and frequent cough occur because of the disturbance in the throat and the respiratory path, and that trachea is getting narrowed because of this frequent irritation and frequent pus collection. The trachea is getting narrowed. So in Siddha, how we are treating these patients? The first thing is, we have to remove all sputums from the lungs. So we are giving some expectorant medicines to remove all sputums from the lungs. The next thing, we are strengthen the lungs, that alveoli cells and the trachea and everything we have to strengthen. So with the help of our medicine, again we are strengthening that narrowing passage is getting dilated with our medicines, and the throat problem is reduced, cough is reduced, and immune system is also increased. So with the help of lungs only, that lungs help to this healthy body. For only now we are using the lungs 20 times. 20% lungs only working in our body nowadays. But if we are using these pranayama techniques told by Siddhas, with these pranayama techniques that is mentioned here, with these pranayama techniques, we can strengthen the lungs up to 80%. So if the lungs work at 80%, the asthma problem will completely cured. So many patients ask me, it's a chronic problem. You are control the disease or cured the problem. Those who are getting treatment from us, they are getting 100% relief, 100% cure from the problem with our medicines and this pranayama and everything. So here definitely we should know, each and every mankind should know about the importance of Siddhas and Siddha medicine. Here is something is written here in Tamil. It's a song. நாளொன்றுக்கு 21,600 நலமான சுவாசம்தான் எழுந்திருக்கும். கேளொன்று 14,400 குவிந்த மூலாதாரத்தில் அடங்கும். பாழொன்று 7,200 பாழிலே பாய்ந்திடும் என்றடிக. கேளொன்றி இதனையே உற்சாதித்தால் எப்போதும் பாலராய் இருக்கலாமே. 15,000 years back, Siddhas counting our respiration. How many times we are doing exhale, how many times we are doing inhale. So in their school of thought, every day we are 21,600 times we are doing our breath. So this breath, 14,400 breath goes inside and 7,200 breath came outside and it becomes waste. Those who are helping to make this 7,200 breath sending to inside, definitely they will also live young. Up to 100 years also, they live like 25 years. So this is so already told Siddhas about the importance of pranayama, how it extends our life, how it come out from the death, and this problem also, asthma problem also, it is very much important. So here in our Sivasakthi, so many medicines are available for the asthma problem. Antipli Rasayanam and Adadode, tonic Kantakatirilegium, and so many medicines, prepared tablets, more than 50 tablets are in Siddha medicines. And here the herbals are also wrote here. The Tulasi, Tuduveli, Kantangatri and Karparavalli. These herbal medicines also you can take. So final session is home remedies. In home remedies, we know this white erik chedi, that is Calotropis gigantea in botanical name. So if you take this flour and take 10 gram flour, 10 gram pepper, fry the pepper, you grind this with the help of that white erik leaves juice for 2 or 3 times a day and make it a small pill like 200 to 500 tablet, dried it in a shadow, and if you take this tablet every times 2 to 3 times a day, if you swallow or powder it with honey, it's a very good medicine for asthma. So you can try this medicine for your asthma problem. Otherwise you can contact me at any time. My phone number is mentioned below my program. You can watch my you can share your everything with through phone also. Thank you viewers. We'll see another video. Vanakkam viewers.